Welcome to Blimpo Box. Today, let's learn the names of 20 common birds you see around you every day. Parrot. This is a parrot. Parrots are green and love to talk. They eat fruits and nuts. This is pigeon. Pigeons are grey and live in cities. They make coo sounds. Sparrow. This is sparrow. Sparrows are small brown birds that chirp sweetly. Eagle. This is eagle. Eagles are strong birds with sharp eyes. They fly very high. Swan. This is swan. Swans are white and swim gracefully in water. Owl. This is owl. Owls are night birds with big eyes. They can see in the dark. Hen. This is hen. Hens lay eggs. They are found in farms. Turkey. This is turkey. Turkeys are big birds with a red neck and fluffy feathers. Duck. This is duck. Ducks live near water. They love to quack and swim. Peacock. This is peacock. Peacocks are colorful birds. They dance in the rain. Flamingo. This is flamingo. Flamingos are pink birds with long legs. Penguin. This is penguin. Penguins cannot fly. They live in cold places. Ostrich. This is ostrich. Ostriches are the largest birds. They can't fly but run fast. Dove. This is dove. Doves are white and symbolize peace. Chick. This is chick. A chick is a baby bird that hatches from an egg. Bat. This is bat. Bats are birds that fly at night, but they are actually mammals. This is barn owl. Barn owls have heart-shaped faces and fly silently. Crane. This is crane. Cranes are tall birds with long necks and legs. Rooster. This is rooster. Roosters wake us up with their cock-a-doodle-doo. Manna. This is manna. Mannas are black and yellow birds. They can mimic sounds.